Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Egan, I do stuff. Welcome to the YouTube channel, Egan Does Stuff. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. So, let's get into it. So, we all know that infamous clicking sound that goes while we're going up the lift hill of a roller coaster. But we never really stop and think about why that it clicks, or at least I didn't. But a lot of people don't know this. It actually is going to keep you safe. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So, why do roller coasters click, and how does that keep you safe? That clicking is actually an anti-rollback feature. What happens is at the bottom of the car there's a catch jog that catches on to the chain lift itself, and two, there's another little catch jog, but it doesn't catch onto the chain lift, it catches onto an anti-rollback feature. And what that anti-rollback does is, if the roller coaster were to suddenly lose power, or it would have to be e-stopped for whatever reason, and it would keep the train from rolling back, where it could cause some pretty major issues if it did roll back into the station. So that's how it keeps you safe. And how it works is the catch dog, it goes and it's a low thing, and there's little chain things, little things that it goes up, and then it's a vertical little piece of metal that it won't let it go backwards. So that's I don't really know how to explain it that much, but there might be there's other videos that will tell you how. And so that's why roller coasters click, and that's why it keeps you safe. Once again, my name is Ben Egan. I have done something, and goodbye.